Our American Muslim history doesn't start when our parents came here in 1965 or 1976. If you come from South Asian family, an Arab family, a Turkish family, your Islamic history starts with Kunta Kinte. And it starts before Kunta Kinte. Your Islamic history starts before Columbus got here. I don't care where you come from. Those are our Muslim ancestors in this land, because our ancestors is a spiritual ancestry. That's why Ibrahim alayhi salam is our spiritual father, even if we share nothing of his lineage. Those people, their blood, sweat, and tears built this country. Those people who were beaten out of their name and beaten out of their deen. We are the fulfillment of their prayers. You think these Muslims who were scholars, these Muslims who were sacrificing, you think they didn't make dua? That one day in this land, their blood, their sweat, their tears would bring forth generations of Muslims who would build the masjids they couldn't build. And that's what unifies us. When we accept that history as our Muslim history, we united.